Most business leaders are worried they're falling behind on AI. They think they need expensive AI agents and tools to boost sales and gain a competitive advantage. But what they really need is a simple mind shift. I travel all over the country teaching founders and executives how to succeed with AI. And after training top teams, I've found that the smartest leaders don't focus on tools, they focus on smarter systems. Today, I'll show you the top AI hacks that I'm teaching my business clients that help them scale their time, make smarter decisions, and grow sales without making new hires. Here's the best part. You don't need a dozen different AI tools. For these tricks, you just need the right mindset, ChatGPT, and a collaborative knowledge hub like Notion. If you only use one of these AI habits, make it number 5. That's the one that has made the biggest difference for me as an entrepreneur. Okay, let's go. Every great CEO surrounds themselves with great advisors. But what if your advisors were some of the most acclaimed thought leaders and business visionaries of all time? And what if they were available to you 24/7? Your first trick, create your AI board of directors. You can find a full in-depth video of this on my channel, but here's a quick rundown of how to do it. Pick 5 to 8 people that you admire. Business authors, investors, or thinkers. For me, that's Dan Sullivan, author of 10X is Easier Than 2X, Mike, who wrote Profit First, Benjamin Hardy of The Science of Scaling, Kim Scott of Radical Candor, and a few of my favorite business influencers, including Alex Hormozi, Cody Sanchez, and Dan Martell. Your board of directors might look different. The important thing is that you give ChatGPT's agent clear and context-rich instructions for creating knowledge bases for each member of your AI board. Here's how to do that. Once you've decided who you want on your board, open a new chat in ChatGPT. Click the plus sign in the left of the prompt box and select agent mode from the dropdown. Next, paste this prompt. I've included the full prompt in the description for you. Once agent has compiled all of the research, you may need to remind it to create individual PDF reports for each board pick. You can do that using a prompt like this. Turn this into 6 individual PDFs, one for each of my board picks. For example, 1 advisory report for Dan Sullivan, 1 advisory report for Mike Malkowitz, and so on and so forth. Next, we'll create our AI board as a custom GPT within ChatGPT. To do this, click Explore under GPTs in the left sidebar, then tap the Create button in the top right corner of your screen. From here, give your custom GPT a name. I'll call mine AIEN Board of Directors because my company's name is AI Empowerment Now. Add a 1-sentence description and then paste the custom instructions into the text box that says Instructions. I've already created the custom instructions for you, and you'll find them in the description as well. You'll just need to swap the company name and industry to yours. Then upload each of those PDFs that Agent created for us into the GPT's knowledge base. Just click Upload Files, which is located under the subheading Knowledge. You can leave no recommended model from the drop-down menu, since ChatGPT will then route you to the best model based on each prompt or question that you ask your board of directors. The last step is to upload your company logo or your desired image for the custom GPT. You can do that by clicking the plus sign at the top of the configure page. You could also have ChatGPT create one for you by selecting Use DALL-E, though I found those images to be less than desirable. Be sure to set the share settings to private if you want to keep your company's virtual board of directors to yourself. And that's it. Now you'll get diverse insights, unexpected perspectives, and simulated roundtables that can radically improve your decision making. Okay, trick number 2, centralize your data. Here's the truth. If you don't have a data strategy, your company won't survive in an AI-first world. Having your company's knowledge in one central location means that AI can find patterns and correlations and even blind spots that you'd otherwise miss. Most companies still have data spread across various SaaS platforms, email, Slack threads, and physical documents. That's where Notion comes in. Use Notion as your company's central knowledge hub. Store meeting notes, performance metrics, customer customer insights and SOPs in one place. You can upload your company manual as a wiki in Notion. Then, here's the magic. Your employees can ask Notion AI any question, and Notion surfaces the answers in seconds. It cites where in the company data it retrieved those answers. You could ask, what's the company policy on remote work for employees who have been with the company for more than 6 months? And get an instant sourced answer. Notion AI can also reveal relationships across documents, showing insights your human brain might skip. Bottom line, when data lives together, your decisions get smarter. When it's scattered, AI can't help you. If you want someone to help you migrate data to Notion and build Notion infrastructure for your company, that's something that we do at AI Empowerment Now. Just click the link in the description to book a call with my team. If you found this helpful so far, please give me a thumbs up. It reminds me why I started sharing in the first place, and it keeps me going. Okay, on to the good stuff. Trick number 3, create a prompt optimizer that's built into your ChatGPT interface. Most leaders stop at using prompts. The best leaders build system prompts. Here's how. Use ChatGPT's projects feature to create a dedicated space called Prompt Optimizer. For the knowledge base, you'll want to create PDF versions of the prompting guides that OpenAI published for developers recently. Remember, prompting is the new programming, and ChatGPT 5 is OpenAI's most steerable model ever. That means if you know how to prompt, you're able to get mind-numbingly good AI results. But if you don't, well, slop. Creating a built-in prompt optimizer means you write a blog post about disfluencies in AI voice models, and your project turns that horrible prompt into a structured masterpiece that will give you 10x better results. Now, this next step is important. Trick number 4, send future you motivational letters. I'm actually borrowing this idea from Dan Martell. If you don't follow him yet, I recommend you do. Here's what to do. Open a new chat and tell the AI your goals and your fears. Then ask it to draft letters to your future self. ChatGPT will draft the letters, anticipating your state and providing the necessary motivational push. Finish by telling ChatGPT to, quote, create a scheduled task that sends me future self letters every 30, 90, and 365 days. It's like having an executive coach who never forgets your vision. This trick keeps you accountable, especially when you're your own biggest obstacle. Trick number 5, avoid death by execution. If all you're doing as a leader is executing, you'll eventually fail. The solution is to block time each week for what I call focused learning. For me, that looks like 1 hour every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, where I focus on learning a new platform or tool. Right now, I'm learning N8N. Your competitors are moving fast, but speed without learning is just motion. By dedicating time each week to mastery, you'll stay ahead of trends, spot opportunities earlier, and lead with clarity instead of just reacting to what's already happening. So build focused learning into your weekly schedule. Make it non-negotiable. Block off at least 1 hour every week for you and your team to experiment with new AI workflows or tools. Then create a WhatsApp or Slack thread where team members post what's working for them. Reward the best discoveries, the ones that actually move the needle for your company goals. Okay, we cannot talk about focused learning without mentioning Brilliant. Brilliant is an interactive learning platform designed to help you master AI, data science, math, and computer science through hands-on courses. Instead of passive videos, Brilliant uses bite-sized lessons with interactive challenges that make difficult concepts click. As an entrepreneur, I love Brilliant because I can learn in just 15 minutes a day, all from my phone. Their AI courses cover everything from neural networks to large language models with visual explanations that actually make sense. One course I'm loving on Brilliant is how AI works, especially the lessons on language model training. Understanding how models like ChatGPT actually generate their outputs has made me a better prompter. Prompting is just the question that you ask AI. When you know what's happening under the hood of these models, you start crafting prompts that align with how the model actually processes information. And when you do that, the quality of your results improves dramatically. But to be honest, Brilliant does more than just teach STEM subjects. My mom, for example, was worried her mind wasn't as sharp as it used to be. After using Brilliant, she now swears that her recall is faster and that she feels less brain fog. And it makes sense. Brilliant's platform uses interactive problem solving to strengthen your cognitive abilities and critical thinking, both of which are important skills in an AI-powered world. To learn for free on Brilliant, use my link, brilliant.org/AIoptimist, which I've also included in the description, or just scan the QR code on screen. Brilliant is also giving viewers a 30-day free trial plus 20% off an annual premium subscription if you use the link below. It's the smartest way to turn focused learning from a goal into a daily habit. Here's the truth. None of these tricks matter unless you shift your mindset. AI isn't a project. It's a paradigm shift. A new operating system for leadership itself. Top visionaries like Sam Altman, Satya Nadella, and Jensen Huang all say the same thing. The future belongs to the AI native leader, the one who learns, tests, and adapts faster than everyone else. The goal isn't to replace your employees with AI, it's to empower them with it. So if you remember one thing from this video, adopt an AI-first mindset. One of my clients put a poster up in their main conference room that says, "Can I do this with AI?" And the answer is almost always yes. That simple question has transformed how they work because the company's teams are consistently reminded to take an AI-first mindset into daily tasks. If you've learned one new thing in this video, smash that bell icon so you're the first to know when I publish new